হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করি আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন। ফ্রিল্যান্সিং ভর্তি পরীক্ষার গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কিছু এমসিকিউ প্রশ্ন আপনারা সবাই একটু দেখে নিন। এগুলো কিন্তু পরীক্ষায় আসতে পারে। পরীক্ষায় আসা কিছু এমসিকিউ প্রশ্ন নিয়ে আজকের ভিডিওটি তৈরি করা হয়েছে। আপনারা সবাই একটু দেখুন।
Question 1. Which of the following is a freelancing platform? A. Facebook, B. Fiverr, C. TikTok, D. Pinterest. B. Question 2. What is the full form of HTML? A. Hypertext making language, B. Hypertext markup language, C. Home text management language, D. Hyperlink text markup language. Correct answer. B. Hypertext markup language. Question 3. Which software is used for graphic design? A. Adobe Photoshop, B. Microsoft Excel, C. Mozilla Firefox, D. WinRAR. A. Adobe Photoshop. Question: which one is used for creating websites? A. MS PowerPoint, B. Adobe Reader, C. HTML, D. VLC Media Player, C. HTML. Which of the following is not a freelancing website? A. Upwork, B. Freelancer, C. LinkedIn, D. People Per Hour. Correct answer, Ling. C. Question 6. Which tool is mainly used to edit images? A. Notepad, B. Photoshop, C. Chrome, D. WordPad. B. Question 7. What is needed most for freelancing success? A. A good-looking profile picture, B. A strong skill, C. Expensive computer, D. Luck. Question 8. Which of the following is a type of programming language? A. Photoshop, B. Python, C. Excel, D. Canva. B. Python. Question 9. Which device is used to input text into a computer? A. Monitor, B. Printer, C. Keyboard, D. Speaker. C. Keyboard. Question 10. What does CPU stand for? A. Central Power Unit, B. Computer Processing Unit, C. Central Processing Unit, D. Control Panel Unit. Correct answer, C. Central Processing Unit. Question 11. Which of the following is a search engine? A. Facebook, B. Google, C. YouTube, D. Zoom. B. Google. Which format is commonly used to save an image? A. MP3, B. JP, C. Doc, D. PDF. Correct answer 13. Which of the following is a web browser? A. Windows, B. Google Chrome, C. Photoshop, D. Excel, B. Google Chrome. Question 14. Which tool is used for video editing? A. Adobe Premiere Pro, B. Microsoft Word, C. MS Paint, D. Notepad. A. Adobe Premiere Pro. What is the function of RAM in a computer? A. Stores permanent files, B. Processes graphics only, C. Helps in multitasking and temporary memory, D. Controls internet speed. C. Helps in multitasking and temporary memory. Question 16. Which one is a freelancing skill? A. Sleeping, B. Data entry, C. Watching movies, D. Driving. Correct answer. Question 17. Which of the following is used for creating documents? A. Microsoft Word, B. VLC Player, C. Photoshop, D. Google Chrome. A. Microsoft Word. PDF stands for A. Portable document file, B. Permanent data format, C. Personal document folder, D. Portable data form. A. Portable document file. Question 19. Which one is an online marketplace for services? A. Amazon, B. eBay, C. Fiverr, D. AliExpress. C. Fiverr. Question 20. What is the main purpose of a browser? A. To draw pictures, B. To type letters, C. To access the internet, to play music, C. Access the internet. Question 21. What is the full form of IP? A. Internet port, B. Internal protocol, C. Internet protocol, D. Internal processing. Correct answer, C. Internet protocol, C. Which one is used to connect to the internet? A. Scanner, B. Modem, C. Printer, D. Joystick. B. Modem. Question 23. What type of device is a monitor? A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Storage device, D. Processing device. B. Output 24. What is Google Docs mainly used for? A. Watching videos, B. Making presentations, C. Typing documents online, D. Coding. C. Typing documents online. What does SEO stand for? A. Search email, option B. Search engine optimization, C. Speed engine output, D. System entry operation. Search engine optimization. Question 26. What is the use of MS Excel? A. Playing games, B. Editing photos, C. Making spreadsheets, D. Making videos. C. Making spreadsheets. Which one is an image file extension? A. .dex, B. JPTPT XLF. Question 28. Which part of a computer performs calculations? A. RAM, B. CPU, C. ROM, D. mouse. B. Section 29. Which software is used to make PowerPoint presentations? A. MS Excel, B. MS Word, C. MS PowerPoint, D. Adobe Acrobat. C. MS PowerPoint. Which is an example of cloud storage? A. USB drive, B. Google Drive, C. DVD, D. SSD. B. Google Drive. Which one is not a file format? A. EXEB, .mp4, C. Zip, D. Scan. Question 32. What does HTTP stand for? A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, B. Hypertext Transfer Program, C. High Text Transfer Protocol, D. High Transfer Text Protocol. A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Question of the following is used for online meetings? A. Canva, B. Zoom, C. Photoshop, D. VLCoom. Question 34. Which file format is used for video? A. MP3, B. MP4, C. JPEG-PDF. Correct answer, B. Question 35. What does USB stand for? A. Universal Serial Bus, B. United System Board, C. Uniform Signal Block, D. A. Universal Serial Bus. Question 36. Which one is an example of operating system? A. Google Chrome, B. Windows 10, C. Adobe Illustrator, D. MS Excel. B. Windows 10. Which key is used to delete characters to the left of the cursor? A. Enter, B. Shift, C. Backspace, D. Tab. C. Question 38. Which port is used to connect a pen drive? A. VGA, B. HDMI, C. USB, D. Ethernet. C. USB. Which one is an online payment system? A. Photoshop, B. PayPal, C. Chrome, D. Notepad. B. PayPal. Which one is not a hardware? A. Printer, B. Mouse, C. Operating system, D. Keyboard. C. Operating system. Question 41. Which command is used to copy text in MS Word? A. Control-X, B. Control-C, C. Control-V, D. Control-Z. Correct answer C. Question 42. What is used to protect a computer from viruses? A. Antivirus software, B. Game software, C. Graphics card, D. Zip file. A. Antivirus software. Which shortcut is used to undo an action? A. Control-Y, B. Control-Z, C. Control-A, D. Control-S. Question 44. What is the function of a scanner? A. To print documents, B. To display output, C. To convert paper documents into digital form, D. To play music. C. To convert paper documents into digital form. Question 45. Which of the following is an input device? A. Monitor, B. Printer, C. Scanner, D. Projector. Question, which one is a valid email address? A. User at Gmail, B. user@email.com, C. user.name@gmail.com, D. User at .answer, C. user.net@gmail.com. Question 47. Which app is used for making logos? A. MS Excel, B. Adobe Illustrator, C. VLC, D. MS Access. B. Adobe Illustrator. What is the function of Google Sheets? A. Video editing, B. Writing codes, C. Managing spreadsheets online, D. Creating logos. C. Managing spreadsheets online. Question 49. Which one is used to compress files? A. MS Word, B. WinRAR C, Chrome D. PowerPoint, B. WinRAR. Question 50. Which of the following is used to format text in MS Word? A. Font size, B. Insert table, C. Page layout, D. Track changes. A. Font size.